Our practice. Donovan wrote the expression 8 less than the product of m and 10. What algebraic expression did he write? So, if he has 8 less than, that means it's going to be something minus 8, because 8 less than that. So something minus 8. In this case, the only one would be C, but let's check. Then the product, so product means multiply, of m and 10, so that means 10 times m, or 10m. So 10m minus 8. So our answer is going to be C here. Now, so 10m minus 8. Now we're going to take a look and we're going to figure out what the value is if m equaled 7. So if we put this 7 in for up here, so 10 times m, or 10 times 7, minus 8. Can I do 7 minus 8? No, we have to use our order of operations. 10 times 7 is 70. Then bring down that minus 8. We didn't use it yet. 70 minus 8 is going to be 62. So our answer is 62. All right, there were 3.5 inches of snow on the ground. New snow was reported to be falling at a rate of 2.5 inches per hour. What expression represents the number of inches of snow that should be on the ground after 8 hours? All right, so there were 3.5 inches of snow on the ground. So that's what we're starting with. Now, new snow was reported. So we're starting with this 3.5 inches of snow. Okay. 3.5 inches of snow. New snow was reported to be falling at a rate of 2.5 inches per hour. So per hour, so each hour. So if it's 2.5 inches per each hour and more, that's more than the 3.5 inches. That's on top of it. So we're going to have 3.5 plus 2.5 times h. So our answer is going to be B here. All right, now we're going to take a look. How many inches of snow should be on the ground after 8 hours? So if we plug in this 8 up here for that h, 2.5 times 8. And then we're going to add that 3.5. We have to use our order of operations. 2.5 times 8. Well, if I have 2.5 times 8, 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 4 is going to be 20. Move that decimal in 1, so you get 20. And then you're going to add 3.5. So 3.5 plus 20 is going to be 23.5 inches. So 23.5 inches. And that's going to be it for the practice. Great job!